Hi, this is Ben Thomas with UST Training, and this is a Tank Savvy Minute. Today I want to introduce you to the Veeder-Root TLS-450PLUS, how to drive it and get important information out of it. Because the 450 Plus no longer has buttons like the old 350, the navigational features are over here on the left in blue. There are 4 buttons here. Home, if you ever get lost on the 450 Plus, navigating around, the home button will get you back there. Favorites is a new feature because what it has are bookmarked and shortcuts to critical information you might need on a regular basis. The menu feature is quite detailed here. There's a lot of information here. Diagnostics, overview, reports. Those 3 tabs are critical information for the operator to have. However, the setup, the software maintenance, the system administration, that's more for an advanced operator or a service technician. And lastly, there's an actions button. If there's something that needs to happen, then you can have that action listed here, and it'll basically tell you what to do to respond to some type of alarm. And finally, on the right-hand side in the upper corner here, there's a print button here. And if you want to get a printout of what you're looking at on the screen, you just hit print. This is Ben Thomas with UST Training. This has been a Tank Savvy Minute.